Welcome back, dear children. I hope you all are blessed. So, children, in today's session, we will discuss the rules regarding the use of demonstrative pronouns, that is, this, that, these, and those. Alright? So, children, first of all, you will write date and day on the top left corner of the margin. And on the top right corner, you will write CW, that is classwork. Alright. Then in the first line, you will give a heading, use of this, that, these, those. Fine. Then leave a line and write the heading, rules. Then in the next line, you will write the first demonstrative pronoun, that is this. Then make an arrow to the right and write singular. Then write 1 in brackets. Again put an arrow and write near. So according to this rule, you will use the demonstrative pronoun this when anything is singular or 1 in number and when it is kept near to you. Fine. Then leave one line and write the second demonstrative pronoun, that is that. Then put an arrow and write singular and in brackets write 1. Then again put an arrow and write far. So children, this rule states that you will use the demonstrative pronoun that when any person or thing is singular or 1 in number, but that person or thing is far from you. Fine. Then leave one line and write the third demonstrative pronoun, that is these. Then again put an arrow. Now here you will write plural and in brackets you will write many. Then put an arrow and write near. So children, according to this rule, the demonstrative pronoun these will be used when any person or thing is plural or more than 1 in number and it should be near to you. Fine. Now leave one line and you will write the fourth demonstrative pronoun, that is those. Then make an arrow and write plural. Then write many in brackets. Then again put an arrow and write far. So this rule states that demonstrative pronoun those will be used when any person or thing is plural or more than 1 in number and it should be far from you. Alright. Now come to the fresh page. In the first line, give a heading, fill in the blanks using this, that, these, those. Fine. Then leave a line and write the first sentence, that is dash is a tree. So children, look into the picture. There is a tree drawn in the starting of the sentence. So the tree is near and only 1 in number. So we will use which demonstrative pronoun will we use here? We will use the demonstrative pronoun this over here. So it will be this is a tree. Alright. Now leave one line and write the second sentence, that is dash is a hut. So see, the hut is far away and it is only 1 in number. So we will write that over here. So the sentence will be that is a hut. Fine. Then leave one line. Next sentence is dash are balls. So children, as you can see, the balls are kept near but the balls are more than 1. So you will use these over here. So the sentence will be these are balls. Alright. Then leave one line Write the fourth sentence. Dash are stars. Children, as everybody knows that stars are far away from us and we cannot even count them, right? So, what you will write over here? You will write those in the fourth blank. So, it will be those are stars. Alright? So, I am showing you the solved image also. You can fill in the answers from this image. You can check whether you have done the correct answers or not. Fine. Now, I hope it is clear to you. Just write it in your notebooks, and now we will discuss the exercise on page number 47 of the English grammar book. Alright? So, children, read the question. Complete the sentences with this, that, these or those. Fine? So, read the first sentence. Children, as you are given with two options, you have to choose the correct option carefully. Okay? So, first one is, dash children are eating ice creams. These or those? So, what will come? Those. Those children are eating ice cream. So, children, look into the picture. The child is pointing towards the children, eating ice cream, and they are sitting far from him. So, write those in the first blank. Then next is, dash puppy is playing. This or that? So, puppy is one and it is playing near to the girl. So, write this in the second blank. Then next is, dash shirts are too small for me. These or those? Yes, shirts are far from the boy and more in number. So, write those in the third blank. Fine. Then, next is, dash shop sells toys. So, the shop is only one and it is far from the girl. So, write that in the fourth blank. Now, the fifth one is, we like dash kites. These or those? Children, kites are flying far in the sky and it is more than one. So, write those in the fifth blank. Next is, dash is my bicycle. So, bicycle is near to the boy. Look into the picture. The bicycle is near to the boy as he is riding it. And there is only one bicycle. So, write this in the sixth blank. Alright. Next is, Meena wants dash books. Yes, these or those? So, books are many and books are far from Meena. So, write those in seventh blank. Fine. The last is, dash is an aeroplane. Children, see in picture, they are pointing towards the aeroplane, flying high in the sky. So, aeroplane is one and it is far away. So, write that in the eighth blank. Fine. So, children, I hope today's topic is clear to you. Just complete your work and write neatly. Thank you so much. God bless you.